Hi everyone, welcome back to Beladjar. Today, we're continuing our English 101 series with another practical conversation. In this video, we'll explore a dialogue between two friends at a clothing store. You'll learn how to ask for sizes, inquire about prices, and make decisions when shopping for clothes. This is a great way to improve your listening skills and expand your vocabulary in a real-life situation. Ready to practice your English? Let's get started.
Hi there, can I help you find anything today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a new dress. Do you have this one in a medium?
Let me check for you. Oh yes, here's a medium. Would you like to try it on?
That would be great, thanks.
The fitting rooms are just over here. Let me know if you need a different size.
I like it, but I'm not sure about the color. Do you have it in blue?
Yes, we do. Let me grab one for you.
Thanks. Also, how much is this dress?
It's $49.99, but we're offering a 20% discount today.
That's a good deal. I'll take it.
Great choice. I'll meet you at the register whenever you're ready.
Vocabulary and key phrases recap. 1. Can I help you find anything? 2. Do you have this in a medium? 3. Would you like to try it on? 4. How much is this? That's it for today's English listening practice. I hope this video helps you feel more confident when shopping for clothes in English. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Beladjar for more English learning content.